Hey everyone, you just sold your dream car. You're sitting in your new bank account, watching the funds grow. You're ready to transfer it to your investment account. But then, the dreaded question pops up: how long will it take for Ally to approve this transfer? Hook! You're not alone in this. Many Ally customers have wondered the same thing. So, let's dive into the world of Ally transfers and find out just how long it might take. Understanding Ally transfers. Before we get into the specifics of approval times, let's clarify what a transfer is. In simple terms, it's the process of moving money from one Ally account to another, or from an external account to an Ally account. Ally offers several types of transfers, including asterisk. Internal transfers, moving money between different Ally accounts, e.g., checking to savings. External transfers, moving money from an outside bank to Ally. ACH transfers, electronic transfers between banks. Wire transfers, urgent transfers that typically incur fees. Factors affecting approval times. The time it takes for Ally to approve a transfer can vary based on several factors. Transfer type. Internal transfers, generally the fastest, often processed instantly. External transfers may take longer, especially if the transferring bank has strict verification processes. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days. Wire transfers can be completed within a few hours but often involve additional fees. Transfer amount. Larger transfers might require additional verification steps, potentially delaying approval. Transfer timing. Transfers initiated outside of Ally's business hours might take longer to process. Bank holidays. Transfers scheduled on or around bank holidays may experience delays. System issues. Technical difficulties or system maintenance can temporarily affect transfer processing times. Fraud prevention measures. Ally's fraud prevention systems might occasionally flag transfers for further review, leading to delays. Average approval times. While it's difficult to provide an exact time frame for all transfers, here's a general breakdown based on common scenarios. Internal transfers, often processed instantly. External ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days. External wire transfers can be completed within a few hours but often involve fees. Tips for faster approvals. To minimize potential delays, consider these tips. Verify account information. Ensure that all account details, including routing numbers and account numbers, are accurate. Initiate transfers during business hours. This can help avoid processing delays. Avoid excessive transfers. Frequent transfers might trigger additional security checks. Be prepared for verification. If requested, provide any necessary documents promptly. Real-life examples. Let's hear from some Ally customers who have shared their experiences with transfer approval times. Customer 1, I recently transferred funds from my external bank to my Ally savings account. It took about 3 business days for the transfer to be completed. Customer 2, I've been using Ally for years, and I've never had any issues with internal transfers. They're always processed instantly. Customer 3, I had to wire transfer money to Ally for a time-sensitive purchase. It took a few hours, but I was grateful for the expedited service. Conclusion. So, how long does Ally take to approve a transfer? The answer depends on several factors, including the transfer type, amount, timing, and potential security checks. While you can't always control these factors, understanding them can help you manage your expectations and plan accordingly. By following the tips we've discussed, you can increase the likelihood of a smooth and timely transfer experience. Call to action. Have you had any recent experiences with Ally transfers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're still unsure about how long a transfer might take for your specific situation, consider reaching out to Ally's customer support for more personalized assistance. End. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.